Hello and welcome to a new morning briefing or better evening summary video presented by Stein Investments. Today I've been thinking very long about what to tell you about the events and market moves of the past hours and past days, and we are definitely living in interesting times, and this is everything else but surely not normal. And the only thing I can tell you for sure is don't trade if the retail trading volume drops like that. This exactly confirms what we always say and always think after working with this retail trading volume for so long. And one thing is for sure, if the retail trading volume is falling like this for several hours, here we started at almost 150,000 lots and we are now at 110,000. This is a clear sign for losing trust of the retail crowd, which is still essential, even though their part in the forex market is definitely tiny compared to institutional investors. But it is an amazing important indicator for us to determine if the trading conditions are stable or not. So if you don't have FX volume yet, I can only recommend you to give this tool a chance and work with it, because you will notice pretty sure and pretty fast that this is a clear indication of when to get out, or better stay out if you are flat, and when to get in. And this day started with a huge volatility across all currencies. And in days like this, where nothing is sure, rumors become a powerful force. And we've seen this a few minutes ago, where we've seen a massive spike in all the indices, which came out of the blue. Nothing happened. And that's just because some people interpreted some words in an interview from a Trump advisor considering a 90-day pause, and the White House said no, that's for surely not the case. But between the rumor and the statement from the White House, the market exploded in one direction, and this is something that is unpredictable, and you are lucky if you are on the right side and you can benefit from it. But it can also be possible that you are on the wrong side and you lose a lot because you can't close your position and you can't get out of the market. So your loss will be way bigger than you thought your stop loss will secure. So we can have a look at this move in the indices here. You see it here in the Bitcoin. You can see it even more dramatic in oil, which closed the gap that appeared at the opening of the ASIN session today. And you can also see it in the Dow Jones and the German DAX. This is a pretty normal market behavior if there is extreme uncertainty in the market. And that's what currently is the case for everyone, not just for retail traders, but also for institutional traders, for governments that don't know how to react on this extreme trading war. You can't tell it any better. It is a trading war, and the USA is fighting against the entire world. No one will ever know where this ends right now, and I can only hope things will become more normal over time. I don't judge the steps Donald Trump has taken. He might be right with his policy. It's all okay. I can just judge what I see in front of me on my charts and then decide for myself if this provides me the trading conditions I'm like to have to risk my hard-earned money. And that's currently not the case. And so, especially on a Monday after a weekend with many interviews and rumors and stuff like that, I definitely stay out, stay at the sideline and just watch what happens, because that's sometimes the better decision. And to be constantly profitable is also to decide when it's better to to keep the money in the pocket. I hope you'll find our advice useful, and my best advice is to give FX volume a chance and judge the market like I do every day before I think about trading or checking trading opportunities in detail. So this is the indication to stay clearly out. That's it. I'm looking forward to tomorrow, and I hope we'll see some more stable market with stable trend moves, and that's where we are back in and earn good money. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.